Hi everyone, welcome to Science Week channel. Today we have provided for you an interesting video about Football Video Assistant Referee or VAR. Today, football is one of the most popular sports in the world. A sport, in addition to creating a big business, also benefits from knowledge and technology. For many years, the match was held with total 4 referees, one as the main referee and 2 linesmen and 1 reserve referee. But from 2006, 2 other referees who they could move across the behind goal line were added. In that time, all those referees can communicate together through a radio system. Before that, balls were equipped with a microchip to identify the position of the ball, especially for the suspicious goals. But somewhere the refereeing faults was unacceptable. Finally, using the VAR was officially started in 2016 as an equipped and accurate assistant referee. And now, let's go and see the system, contents and principle of operation. Let's first talk about the cases that VAR will assist the referee. In fact, there is 4 major points that VAR will help the referee to have a right judgment. First case is goal or no goal, including ball out of play, ball entering goal, offside, handball, offenses and encroachment during penalty kicks. Second is penalty or no penalty, that mostly related to the fouls or hand inside the penalty area. There is direct red card, which in case of any serious foul, violent conduct or using any offensive language could be happening. And fourth is mistaken identity in awarding red or yellow card. In such these cases, the VAR room with review of scenes can invite the match referee to check and review the scenes also. Consequently, VAR and match referee can have a radio communication discussion together also to make the final decision as well. Okay, now let's have a look on the VAR contents. First, about cameras. We should say that total from 12 to over 30 cameras can be used as VAR cameras, including 1 main cameras, which provide the primary broadcast feed and are usually positioned at a high angle in the main stand. They give an overview of the entire field. 2. 16 column line cameras. These are also high-angle cameras but provide a wider field of view compared to the main cameras. 4. Goal line cameras, which are positioned along the goal line to provide clear view of whether the ball has crossed the line, which is crucial for goal line decisions. 5. Corner cameras that place at the corners of the pitch. These cameras offer additional angles for incidents occurring near the corner flags and along the goal lines. 6. Pole cameras. These cameras mounted on poles at a strategic location around the pitch and provide various angles to cover all possible perspectives of the game. And 7. Offside cameras, which they are dedicated to monitoring offside situation. These cameras are aligned with the last defender to provide clear views for offside decisions. You can imagine that how much accuracy is needed to make so close referee decisions to the zero. And it will never happen without using the cameras, as we said. Now, let's have a look to the VAR room. Typically, in VAR room 3 to 4 officials exist, including 1 or 2 VAR referees and 2 TV and computer system operators to control the VAR and operate with monitoring, digitalization and simulation software. The third part of the VAR is communication and network equipment, which all field cameras, radio transmitters, and also monitors are connected to the VAR server and VAR room through that. The interesting point is that in many cases the VAR room location is in different location. For example, the match is held in Germany, but the VAR room is located in London. Well, now let's talk about the operation of VAR. We can divide the subject in 2 major points. First, the scenes like personal fouls, hands, and like this. In these cases, VAR will identify the truth of event by utilizing the high and ultra resolution and slow motion cameras. While these scenes can be reviewed in VAR room monitors clearly, and room referee can help the match referee to make the decision. But normally, the second point is more critical. The point is related to the scenes which need more high accuracy and sometimes 3D geometry calculation and simulation. Yes, of course, cases for offside and ball passing over the goal line are included in this point. Now, look carefully. Here is an offside possibility. To review and check for the offside position, lines are drawn on the main image and zoom and digitalized also by the software. We said these scenes captured by ultra resolution camera, which can divide the video to up to 60 FPS, frame per second. Here we have a high accuracy frame, time and pixels as well. And now the software can convert captured images to a simulated digital 3D image so that the reality of what happened can be revealed clearly. And here is that the VAR referee can give the opinion to the match referee and ask him to check the scenes on field side mounted monitor. And of course, as per the FIFA terms and regulation, the match referee shall take the final decision. And here the VAR operates only as a dominating witness to the scenes. This method also uses for the suspicious scenes of the ball crossing the goal line. FIFA spent about 6 years to test this technology, and of course it's worth mentioning that as the imaging technology is growing up every day, we can expect for better operation of supervision systems, especially in sports applications. I hope you enjoy of this video. If you like this video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to visit our future interesting videos. Thank you for being with us. See you soon.